Yeah, my name is Francois Sterin, and I'm director at Google Global Infrastructure. Around the summer, we had a nice surprise before going to vacation, which was this report from the Lawrence Berkeley National Lab, which showed that the data center consumption in the US stayed flat or grew 4%, but very minimal growth between 2010 and 2014, while between 2000 and 2010, it had grown like almost double. And the perspective also is that it's going to stay flat, which is really almost counterintuitive when you see the demand for data center and digital and data exploding like we've seen over the last 5 years. So this is great because it shows the skeptics that data center is not the next big polluters, and we're showing the way as an industry sector that could grow sustainably. I guess there are like two big things, right? There are energy efficiency and the move to cloud. And the move to cloud is definitely happening. What it means is like scattered distributed IT, like on premises in closets or in this very small deployment where they couldn't optimize the electricity consumption, is moving in big chunk to like data centers, colo vendors, or public cloud solution like infrastructure as a service. And they benefit. It's mostly driven by a cost reason first, but the second thing is killing two birds with one stone is you're also more environmentally friendly. So that's one thing. And the energy efficiency is also continue to be better and better. Like data center are improving. They're using best practice to improve their PUE, for instance. On our side, we even go as far as using artificial intelligence to improve our PUE, why we thought we had reached kind of the bottom already. And so that's kind of the two combined, then makes kind of the consumption not growing that much actually. And if you on top use renewable energy, your carbon footprint is minimal then. So that's kind of the direction of travel, and we're really proud about this. I think the first driver will be cost and efficiency, and also what they can accomplish with cloud that they can't accomplish themselves, right? I mean, with the explosion of big data, you'll see people using those cloud solutions to do things that they haven't done before, and they wouldn't be able to do themselves with their own data centers. So they're using kind of the large players to benefit from their scale. So I think that's the first thing, that's a cost and enablement thing. And also they don't want to worry about this and let other people doing what they do better. But then it's also a way to reduce the impact on the planet. And by the way, this is going to get important in that approach, because most of those companies that are moving to cloud also have their own corporate social responsibility program where they want to be environmentally friendly. So therefore, they move to cloud, it's cheaper, but it's also accomplished their goal on that side. So that's why you've seen all the cloud players being very focused on renewable energy. I think Amazon just announced something on wind lately, because that's what the customers are asking for as well. Google is carbon neutral since 2007 because we're using offset and renewable power purchase agreements. What I see is we need to get the consumption down by moving to the cloud. And the report I mentioned during the summer has a scenario actually showing a net decrease because of a large adoption of cloud. And then if you put on top renewable energy procurement, offset, maybe new technology in the future where instead of being 100% renewable over a period of time, you're 100% renewable at any time, then I see this is the way, and it's very exciting to be part of it, yes. I like the location. That's the first time I came here. It's a great location, and I like it actually. It's a great opportunity to bump into people. It's been a very productive half day already. So.